new colorway of Jordan Luka 4, which we will unbox today. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of collector finds. This is the Jordan Luka 4 Echerica colorway, which is pink one, flash crimson. Echerica is a Slovenian word which means daughter. This colorway is inspired sa daughter niya. Kaya kung makikita mo, para siyang may pagka-girly talaga yung vibe niya. And then, crimson pink, parang orange pink yun. Focus naman tayo dito sa pair. Makikita natin dito sa pang niya is the Luka brand logo. And here, dito sa ilalim, outsole, Luka brand logo. And meron din siyang air zoom unit na ginamit for the technology of the shoes. Dito naman meron siyang compass, pero bakit nga ba may compass? Fun fact lang, dahil si Luka ay mahilig sa watch. And then I believe na dahil din sa giging player niya sa basketball, it represents himself as playing, navigation, skills. Kaya kahit hindi siya athletic, he was able to let his team win. Kahit hindi siya nagda-dunk, ayun, dahil marunong siya mag-set ng timing, ng game, and read the game. So that's why there's a compass behind it. Dito rin sa insole niya, makikita mo, very feminine ng font. Dahil nga, this is inspired sa daughter niya. So what do you guys think about this? As a guy, would you wear this one? Kasi sabi nila, real men wear pink. Do you believe in that? Leave a comment below.